What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about picking a Craftsman lock. If you haven't seen on my last video, you can see how easy it is to pick that. I'll put it up, link in the description, somewhere around here. But today we're going to be talking about another way to pick it and how easy it is to open up these locks. So typically you're going to need a tensioner and you're going to need a rake or something to actually engage those pins inside the cylinder. So with this, super easy. You just push it inside the lock, you tension or you hit up those pins right there, and it should open right up. But that is too easy. Sparrow's kit, very nice. But today we're going to do something different. As you probably saw in the description, we're going to be opening it up with a paper clip. That's right. So all I need to do is actually smush this one down, since this is going to be the tensioner. And I'm thinking just like this, we can flatten it out and make a little bit of something like that. Not 100% sure. I'm just making it up as I go. We've got this right here just to help me get it a little bit flatter so I can fit it inside that lock. And that should be good. That's all it's going to take. We can zoom up right there. As you can see, it's just squished down, and that's going to let me turn the lock. On this end, second paper clip, what I'm going to do is just bend it over like so. And all I want is a small bend on it. That's why I'm using these. I'm not trying to cut it. I just want to get a good bend on it, and this was the first tool I had on my bench. And this is going to allow me to hit those pins and engage the lock. So I just want to bend it over about a 90-degree angle. So something like that. Might need a little bit smaller so I can bend it in. Bend that out. And there we go. Easy as that. We have a lock pick out of a paper clip. So let's go ahead and try it out. And now the concept is exactly the same as with the Sparrow set or any lock picking set. You're going to use this as a tensioner. Bind that over so as the pins get pushed, they get stuck into the Bible or into the cylinder. Go down to each pin, which is a little difficult, but you can squeeze it in. Twist, and there we go. As easy as that. You can pick one of these Craftsman's locks with paper clips.